Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Chase Bank. First, log in to the Chase app or visit the Chase website. Go to Profile and Settings, then tap Security and Privacy. Select Use Two-Step Verification. Confirm that you want to activate it. Choose how you'd like to receive your verification codes, like text message, phone call, and email. Then enable the option to require a code every time you log in. For even more protection, you can set up biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID, or use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or OT. And that's it. That's how to enable two-factor authentication on Chase Bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.